What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Natalie. Today's video is going to be an Amazon favorites. As we all know, I am an Amazon addict. I may or may not buy from Amazon almost every single day. It's been a really long time since I filmed my last one, so I'm going to be linking my previous ones down below because those definitely have some juicy favorites. But I have found a lot of new items that I am currently obsessed with and I feel like are definitely a must. These are all super random, so without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Alright, before we start, make sure to follow me on my Amazon page that will be linked down below. Everything that I'm going to be mentioned is going to also be linked in the description box. So yeah, first things first, I got some home stuff that I am obsessed with recently. If you guys saw my apartment tour, I mentioned that I've been having issues with like extension cords and them just showing everywhere. So, New York for you. Give me a second. Alright, back to this gem right here. So Sleek Socket was kind enough to send me these amazing extension cord hiders, or let's see, what's the actual, I have three different ones to show you guys. This one is just the standard size outlet, and it also brings that extension cord, but it will hide all those obnoxious cords that just hang out and just don't look nice or appealing. This one is basically shorter, so it will work best for places that you want to hide cords that are closer together. And then I have the 8-foot one with 3 outlets extension cord. This one is great if things are further away that you want to plug in. And then I have some for those that are parents or mothers out there. We have the Protects Toddler and Pet Hazard of electrical outlets and cords. So this one has that conceal little outlet, which is great to extra hide those outlet cords, and it's the 9-foot with 3 extension cords. And in case you were wondering how it looks like, this is what it looks like. It's just a really nice and sleek look. It has one plug right here and the long outlet with 3 extension cords right here that you can plug in. I really love these. I definitely highly recommend these if you, again, are like me and want to just hide those obnoxious cords. I am going to be linking all 3 down below for you guys, but honestly, if you have kids and pets, this is amazing. All right, moving on with some more home decor. This one is a vanity tray, gold, because you guys already know I love anything gold, and it's the perfect size for all of my like skincare and things that I grab easily every single day. The size is 14 by 7. I'm going to be linking it down below for you guys. I believe they have different sizes, but right now it's on sale for $19, I believe, and I'll also be linking other ones that may or may not be cheaper if I find it for you guys. So that's what this one looks like, and it has a beautiful mirror right here as well. Now, if you're a loyal watcher from my previous Amazon favorites, you have already seen this. These are my jewelry hanger organizers with adhesive in the back. I have previously linked these. It's a pack of 4 for only $13 or $9, I believe, which is a steal. I actually ended up buying this one a long time ago to just have a spare in case I ended up getting a new bookshelf, which I did, and I totally forgot about this. But I ended up cleaning my apartment and found it after I had already purchased a new pack. So this one is different from the one that I previously purchased, just because when I was looking for this one, it was out of stock, so I ended up getting this one. So I'll be linking both for you guys down below because they normally always do stock these up. The cool thing about this one is that you can put rings or smaller earrings in here, so you can organize your jewelry differently than just necklaces. This next item I can't technically show you guys, but it's my AC. I ended up getting a new air conditioner because when I moved to this apartment, I had my old one from my old apartment and it didn't necessarily cool this one all that much. So I wanted something that was going to be cooling for my apartment, but also not too loud and just great features in a way. So I wanted something that was going to look sleek. It is a little bit bulky, I'm not going to lie, but the features and the look of it is just amazing. So I first and foremost love how it looks. It looks so sleek, so different from any other air conditioners, and the cool thing is that it has Wi-Fi, so you can use your phone to turn it on, turn it off. You don't have to necessarily be in the apartment to turn it on or off if you want to as well. It also brings a remote control, and aside from being an air conditioner and fan, it works as well as a air purifier, which is amazing, especially for my apartment because it collects a lot of dust, with the large windows. I personally feel that it's worth the money, especially if you're looking for a really good long-lasting air conditioner. I totally forgot to mention the name, but it's from Frigidaire, I think you pronounce it. It's the 10,000 BTU Cool Connect Smart Window Air Conditioner with Wi-Fi control. So that's the name. I'm going to be linking it down below for you guys. It's actually on sale right now. When I got it, it was like $400, but right now it's $329, so it's on sale. It should be on more sale, maybe like on Black Friday and stuff. Quick pro tip, I feel like the best time to buy air conditioners is definitely Black Friday or big sales like that, because we don't necessarily need air conditioners in the winter, so that's when the prices are lower. So definitely recommend for you guys to add it to your cart and keep it there until it goes lower, but right now it is on sale. All right, moving on to one of my favorite items that I've purchased is this little guy right here. As you guys know, I am a plant mom. I love my plants. I'm constantly buying unnecessary crap for them, including this one. So I decided to propagate. I feel like it's the next step in my motherhood, in my plant motherhood. So I ended up getting the cute little wooden propagating station. You can just place this in your desk or hang it. It has a little like hook where you can hang it. I feel like this will look super cute just casually on your wall, but it's also really fascinating to see plants or leaf that you cut grow into an actual plant. So this is really cool, and I love the process, and I feel like it's nice to grow your own plants. Super random, but I wanted to talk about a few cleaning products that I've gotten. This one is the Goo Gone Goo Adhesive Remover. So it's just a little spray that helps to remove any sort of glue. It could be actual glue, it could be gum, it could be tree sap. Oh wow, that's cool. Goo, candle wax, crayon, tape, sticker, and adhesive, which is what I use it because I hate those like price tag stickers that when you take it, the glue's still there. So this literally removes absolutely everything. So love it. And then this one, I've actually mentioned it in my IG stories, which is the Women Stainless Steel Cleaner. I personally haven't found anything to clean my fridge and my stainless steel stuff, so this has been a lifesaver. I didn't know that you actually needed a stainless steel cleaner, but this is definitely worth having, especially if you're having issues cleaning your stainless steel. And they also carry a bunch of other products as well. And then I quickly wanted to mention this organizer container for my detergent. This is actually for food. It could be cereal, it could be flour, but I decided to put my detergent in here, and it has this little cap and then the measuring cup as well. So I think it's super convenient. I just grab and go to my laundry with this, and it makes my life a lot easier. Talking about laundry, I have found the solution to my problem. So I personally lose my laundry card every single time I have to do laundry. Not even kidding. So I ended up getting the adhesive card holder that is technically meant to put on your phone or like behind your phone, but I am going to be putting it in the cabinet where I keep all my detergents, in the actual like cabinet door. So I just quickly grab and go, you know? I don't know, I feel like a genius. Definitely recommend. I'm going to be linking the little adhesive card holder down below for you guys as well. And then plants, I should have mentioned this earlier. I went ahead and got some eucalyptus. Super random. I got these a long time ago, but I haven't gotten the chance to plant these yet. I personally love eucalyptus, so I figured why not have my own little eucalyptus plant. So I went ahead and got these little seeds. Personally, these little seeds are so hard to grow an actual plant from because I tried it with flowers and they just like, I think I got pests in them. I had it in my balcony and it just didn't grow right. So that's why it's taken me some time to grow these, but I'm going to definitely look it up on YouTube on how to properly plant these because I want some eucalyptus plants. I also don't know if it's the right time to plant these since it's fall, but it's 50 seeds in 2-pack. Okay, so this is actually one of the main reasons why I love Amazon. There was one time that I needed Sensodyne or my toothpaste. I use Sensodyne, and I needed it the following day because I ran out of it. So I went on Amazon and I ordered a pack, and it got here the following day. And the cool thing is that I got a 3-pack for less than what a normal 2-pack that I would get in store would cost. So I found it to be a great deal and a lifesaver, and thank you so much, Amazon, for making me spend a lot of money, but also helping me save money. You know, it's what I like to tell myself. Talking about saving money, this right here is my favorite perfume ever, and yes, I'm going to be making a perfume favorites very soon, but I ended up getting this perfume from Amazon because I ran out of it, and I went to Sephora and it was the original like 100 and something price, but I found it for like $70 on Amazon. And yes, it's the original Ralph Lauren Tender Romance perfume that I have been obsessed with for a really long time. I feel like this is the only perfume that actually lasts on my skin, which I love. So again, also going to be linking it below as everything, obviously. All right, let's talk about books. In particular, books that I buy and don't read because let's just say my collection just keeps on growing. But I have a couple of books to mention to you guys in case you are looking for a book to read. I personally will be reading these books. I just haven't found the time yet. It's actually one of my resolutions to read more books, which is why I have been buying these, but I actually need to find the real time to read them and not just collect them, you know? All right, so let me start with this book right here, which is really special because it's actually from a subscriber of mine. She ended up writing her own book due to her grandmother having cancer and going through a really hard time. It's the 52 Sundays by Melanie Bangus. She actually reached out to me a really long time about this book, offering to send it to me, but I went ahead and purchased it from Amazon. I believe she still has it on Amazon. It has taken me a really long time to read it. I'm so sorry, but I did read a couple of them at the beginning and they are so beautiful. I do need to finish it. I highly recommend it if you guys like poetry. She just went in with really deep and personal poems about her grandmother having cancer and her being such a huge part in her life. So I'll be linking it down below for you guys. Support a fellow New Yorker. And yeah, it's really beautiful. Another poetry book, this one is called Her. My manager actually got this one for me, but I haven't read it yet. Don't know exactly what it's about, but it's a poetry book in case you want to get it. This one is The Happiness Advantage. It says how a positive brain fuels success in work and life. I have seen this around a lot, but my friend Nora recommended it, and anything that my friend Nora recommends, I buy. So I bought it. I haven't read it yet, but I definitely am going to read this. I feel like it's going to help me change my perspective on things and just be a lot more positive. So if you lack positivity or just having a positive mind, I feel like this would be a great book for you, and it's also a New York bestseller. Another similar book like that one is 1000 Little Things Happy Successful People Do Differently. It says back here, instant inspiration and powerful advice for becoming our best selves. So it's actually quite the read, and if you guys are looking for inspiration or just books like these to inspire you to be a better person and see things differently, I definitely recommend these two, and then some poetry reads right over here. Are you guys hearing that? Anyways, lastly, I ended up caving in and getting the 5 Love Languages, The Secret to Love That Lasts. This is definitely a book that everyone knows about, and people that are in happy relationships or just like going through it relationships recommend this book. So I decided to just get it and learn more about it. It's also nice to know your actual love language, and I have taken my love language before, and for me is words of affirmation and quality time. Next, I wanted to show you guys some planning or organizing items that I've gotten from Amazon. This one is my notepad that I use every single week. It's the 7 days a week, which has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then the weekend right here. But you can just write your to-do list in each box. I'm going to be linking it down below for you guys. It is a little bit more expensive than when I got it, I do have to say that, but I'll link this one and other ones that are cheaper in case you guys are interested. And then I also got some colorful gel pens just because. So it's a pack of 8. And I really like how these write as well. They're super smooth to write and also a quick dry. Last but very not least is this Love Band ring that I got. It's basically a knockoff version of the Cartier ring, but I personally got it thinking that it was going to be just a solid gold band because that's how it looks on the photo on Amazon. but it does have the love little signs all throughout it. The other reason why I got it is because it was ridiculously cheap. It was only $3. The only downfall is that it did take a long time to get here since it's not prime, but the quality of this ring, it's actually quite surprising. I have showered with this, I have worn it a lot, and normally rings leave like a dark rim right here when they're not real, and this one hasn't. It also just looks intact and the same like gold color. And I have gotten questions if this is a real Cartier ring, which I hate because I hate buying like fake stuff that are luxury. So yeah, now I have a fake Cartier ring for $3. And then last but not least, I wanted to show you guys my new tripod. I finally decided to get a more expensive tripod, but this one is a little bit cheaper than the average expensive when it comes to tripods. I really love the quality of this one. It has my ring light and camera together, and the great thing is that it's a 360 camera, so you can put the camera all the way upside down, also facing down, which is what I was looking for. I'll be linking it down below for you guys. It's a really durable and great quality tripod if you are interested. But let me know in the comments below if you want me to make an updated YouTube equipment video, because I'll definitely do so. I feel like I have changed or simplified my equipment a lot more, so if you guys are interested, let me know and I'll definitely make that video for you guys. But that was pretty much it for my Amazon favorites this time. Let me know which one was your favorite and which one are you planning to get. I'll be linking my Amazon page down below for you guys, so you can go and follow it and see all of my Amazon favorites in one place together. And I actually also have it divided into folders. So for example, my home decor, my home organization stuff, also my YouTube equipment as well. I have it in a separate folder, some beauty stuff, miscellaneous stuff. So make sure to follow it because I'm constantly updating it as well. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, bye. Let me find how to pronounce this. Sure, that's fine.